Okay, per our typical vacation videos, change of plans. We're trying to utilize the time we have here, which isn't long at all, to most effectively do everything we still want to do today.
Right.
We need to go see Santa because it's Christmas. You have to go see Santa at Christmas. Although we could go see Santa at Magic Kingdom. We'll probably do both.
Santa at Magic Kingdom.
We'll probably do both. Then we're gonna find food, then do a ride of some kind,
And then leave.
and then leave. That's the plan.
That is.
So we are on Sunset Boulevard again, walking towards the Tower of Terror. Not going there. We're going to stop off at this place right here.
Once upon a time, this Santa is
Yeah, we are. You excited?
I am.
I'm excited. It's Santa. Oh, it's Santa. Hi, Santa.
Where you guys from?
Ohio?
Ohio.
Youngstown?
Youngstown, Ohio! We love your pizza.
Let's get a picture. Santa was so fun. It's amazing how much he knows. He knows like Youngstown and all the areas around Youngstown. He must be like from the Youngstown area.
Maybe.
I don't know how he knew so much about Youngstown.
You knew the pizza was good.
Yeah, we are in the market. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't see what I'm recording on this camera, but hey, we have that. We're gonna grab some food. And then we're gonna find a ride. Honey,
Yes.
the world is ending.
Why?
You broke a nail
Yeah,
while
I did.
getting our food. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Us securing the table, which in itself is a feat at this place.
It is.
What we got here is a
Onion straw burger thing? I don't know.
onion straw cheddar burger.
Yeah.
Looks good. What looks better is this thing. This is a goofy hot chocolate, not so hot chocolate
Right.
dessert. Boy, is that a mouthful.
It is a mouthful.
But I bet you it's good.
I bet so.
Okay, we're gonna eat it and let you know. So the hamburger was pretty good for a theme park hamburger.
It was okay.
It wasn't horrible.
No.
It wasn't spectacular, but it wasn't horrible. It
Right.
was what it was. Now this is the, once again, Goofy's hot chocolate, not so hot chocolate, Vernon?
Vernon? I don't know.
One of those. I'm not sure which one was right. Kristen's going to dive in and give it a try.
Well, it's a big bite.
It looks like a chocolate pudding type dessert.
That's
Is it?
good. It tastes like hot chocolate.
Does it?
Yeah.
Looks like a pudding consistency, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now I gotta try it. It's good.
Now, what are your thoughts about it?
Like a hot chocolate pudding. Now there's like cake at the bottom of this, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can grab some of that. That's really good. Well, dinner, lunch, I guess it is,
Yeah,
was delicious. Well, it wasn't delicious. Oh, it was delicious. Define delicious. What does delicious mean?
It was good.
I'm all over the place. Okay, we have decided, and although besides Rise of the Resistance, the only other ride we didn't do was Swirling Saucers.
Right.
And we're okay with that. It gives us something to do when we come back besides Mickey's Runaway Railroad.
Okay.
What we decided was Slinkydog was such a great ride, we want to do it again.
Okay.
And so we're going to use our Fast Pass on that.
Sure.
And we're going to get to Toy Story Land through the one section of the park we haven't seen yet, just to wander through it. So the only place we haven't been was back here in this section of the park. I don't know the name of it. I'm a bad tour guide. I'm not really trying to be a tour guide though, so we're just vacationing. So the section where Star Wars Launch Bay is. That section. Like I said, we're just going to do a quick walk through. Although that would be a cool picture. Now back here there is Voyage of the Little Mermaid. Awesome ride. This is Disney Junior dance party. If you're a kid, go in there and have a dance with Disney Junior characters. Also a ton of meet and greets along here of Disney characters. Launch bay is they have all kind of like props and stuff from the movies, and you could also meet characters from the movies back there. I think Darth Vader, Chewie. I don't know who else is back there.
Palo.
Kylo's back there?
I don't know, I'm asking.
Yeah, I don't know. But we'll walk by and see. Oh, it's BB-8. Darth Vader, Chewie, and Kylo Ren sometimes here, but not right this second.
These do change.
Right, they do change. So, from here, this is just the theater. They do Star Wars little movie in, some restrooms. This theater is the exit to the
Mermaid one?
Mermaid, I think. I don't
know.
I don't know. We're just using this as a cut through. So when we're done cutting through, we'll show you where we end up. Honey,
What?
add your theme park's world worst guide
We're
to
not really trying
everything.
to be a theme park guy.
Good, because we suck at it.
Obviously.
That's a dead end back there. We were supposed to turn way up here and then follow that route.
I love you, babe, but you're not the smartest.
Oh, by the way, this area is called Animation Courtyard.
Oh.
I found that out.
Well, that's good to know.
Yeah. Honey, you're not part of that family. You're back here. You like to join families.
You walk slow.
I like to look at things. So back to Toy Story Land we go.
We're going over here, Mom.
Like, I just love this transition. You know, Slinkydog, we're going to go on that soon. Like real soon.
Sunday in the morning and all day Monday.
You know what would be a super cool transition?
But
Is if like things were like regular size back there and everything slowly got bigger up to that.
yeah, that'd be cool.
It kind of just jumps into big stuff.
Well, I mean, you can only do something.
Right. Also, this building here is going to be a new sit-down restaurant, part of Toy Story Land.
What building? This one over here.
This one.
Oh, how cool is that?
Yeah. Okay, let's go find our Slinkydog. It is definitely a lot crowder in here today than yesterday.
Hotter too.
Tell you that, and it is hotter out. That and I'm in a shirt I should have been wearing yesterday. Instead, I wore the one I should be wearing today, yesterday. I'm probably going to change before I go to EPCOT. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Oh my god, look at the line.
The standby line, yeah. It's at like 100 and, oh, it's 95 minutes. Earlier it was like 120 minutes. Good thing we have a fast pass. I love this like entrance. This whole entrance is just, what's the word I'm using? Awesome? Amazing?
Everything is awesome.
Yes, we are going to make a awesome tracker video. I swear I'm going to. And then we'll make an amazing tracker video too. I use them interchangeably. Okay, well you guys have seen all this already. Good thing, because we're jumping in a fast pass and we're gonna head on out of here. Just like that. Change cameras and we're already at the entrance. Love fast passes.
I know, this is pretty awesome.
We're gonna be in the butt with the waggly tail. As always, here's our Slinkydog. And there's our tail. Yay! Here we go again. Woo! I love the acceleration.
Oh my god.
such an awesome ride.
I love it.
I love it.
That was amazing.
Oh, that's great.
Some other folks might be a little bit smaller than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of that.
And we're back.
Please stay.
I could do that all the time. That is awesome. Hope the video came out good. I was trying to hold it with one hand because I had my other hand up for the photo. I don't know how that photo came out, to be honest. We'll see. But we're gonna get a quick loop around of it, and we're gonna go home. Well, to EPCOT at least.
I'm not going home. I don't know what he's talking about.
EPCOT. Whee! 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 That right there. Best part of the ride.
I like the big hill because it doesn't feel like you're actually gonna go over.
Uh-huh.
You're like, am I? Oh, okay, we did it.
Yes. Okay. Before we go, I just remembered we got some shopping to do.
Okay.
We're gonna buy a Buzz toy.
We are.
Well, a Buzz Lightyear related item
Has been purchased.
bought for Mary.
Yeah.
Tomorrow and
Congratulations, Mary.
Yeah. Tomorrow and or Monday, we will get a Captain Hook related item
Of course.
for Smurf.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay. We are headed out of the park.
We are.
Eventually. I mean, in about 10 minutes of walking through seas of crowds,
I know.
we'll be headed out of the park. We'll go to the car, we'll regroup,
Drop that off.
but we will not drive to EPCOT.
No, of course
No,
not.
we have better ways to get there.
Yeah.
Honey,
Yes.
now I know we're leaving,
Yes.
but we didn't do any shopping on this side of the road. We only did it on that side of the road. We have to go shop on this side of the road. We're never leaving. I love that bowl. And Noelle would love to have that much food every night.
I know, right?
She would love it.
She
You
can.
need an apron? Maybe I should get an apron for all those cooking vlogs we don't do that J. Paul continuously asks us to.
Sorry. This is cute.
That is cute. I like that. That is cute.
I do like that.
Ooh. Do we need more?
No.
Okay.
But
So
it's
if we
cute.
did, we could get them. Now, I wouldn't mind getting a Kristen's on the same page photo frame to put a picture of us in.
Making memories.
I like that one. That's cute. Okay. We're getting all kind of ideas. We are going to World of Disney, Disney Springs. So we're gonna probably buy a frame. We're definitely gonna buy an ornament. We're gonna buy some other stuff too. The list is growing.
Yeah.
I want these magnets.
Those are fun. I want them.
There's 4 sets that I can find so far. Current mood is Hakuna Matata, because why am I not surprised our vacation is taking some weird turns.
Yeah, I know, right?
Now I do need a new hat.
Yes, you do.
I like this one. I don't know why. This is calling to me right now.
I'm a fan of that.
I'm a fan of that one. Of course, this is simple. No? Okay.
I feel like all your hats are like blue and stuff
Oh, I like that, but that's blue too.
No, it's not.
No? Is it black?
Like a black?
That's a navy. How do you know? You're colorblind.
I take my sunglasses off.
Oh, that helps. Wow, everything's so bright now.
I know. What is it?
I don't know. Bluish black.
Okay.
Dark blue. Navy? I don't know.
I don't know. It's too hard to tell.
Another thing I think we're buying by the end of this trip is a couple pins. Now, we already got one, but I have a feeling Kristen's going to want to buy another one here soon, in the next couple days. Love myself some pins.
I'm liking this. Is the only one I'm really liking for like
For
the
Star Wars? Okay. I mean, there's the whole pin shop to go to.
I know.
So we might find
But
something
so
there.
far, that's the one I'm liking.
Right. Look at the phone case is. You know the only thing better than a phone case?
What?
A personalized phone case. Or a personalized magic band. I love them both. You can get your name on your phone case. That'd be fun. I just want like a cool magic band in general. Like I like my blue one. I like this one for Christmas.
Oh, that's cool
I like
for
that.
Christmas.
Gosh, I like this one for Star Wars. And I could do this all day. I'm not going
I
to.
could buy them all.
I could too. Look at them all. I know people that have like tons and tons of magic bands, like for every park and every season. That's not gonna be us yet. Boo! You know what this means?
We're leaving.
We've reached the end of Hollywood Studios for this trip.
Yeah.
There's still so much to do and see.
Oh, I know.
Oh my gosh, we only hit like maybe a half the park, if that.
Pretty much.
Man.
I agree with that statement.
But yeah, time to go. I'm gonna miss it. I don't want to go.
We're gonna go to EPCOT.
Oh, okay, okay.
We're gonna go still to a Disney park.
That makes it better.
Okay.